Have you ever tried a simple and cute D tattoo on the middle finger? It may look like a small tattoo, but getting those tiny details clean and sharp is actually a great exercise for anyone learning tattooing. So, let's see how I made this cute D tattoo from the beginning. First, I opened the D design in Photoshop and adjusted the size to around 3 by 3 inches. After setting the size, I used the simple method in the filter gallery to convert the design into the clean stencil. Once the stencil was ready, I transferred it onto the skin and started preparing for the tattoo. For this tattoo, I used 3 round liner needle. My machine was set around 8 volts with 3.5 mm stroke, and I used dynamic dark black ink. Since this is a small and simple design, the main focus is on keeping the lines clean, controlled and consistent. Especially when you are tattooing a finger, you need to be careful with your hand movement and needle depth. If you are at the beginner stage of learning tattooing, don't skip this video. Watch the complete process and pay attention to how the lines are built and how the small details are handled. And if you enjoy watching simple tattoo tutorial like this, subscribe to my channel Tattoo 18 for more tattoo ideas, techniques and tattooing tutorials. Also let me know the comments. Would you get this cute D tattoo on your finger? If you enjoy the video, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to learn tattooing. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next tattoo video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.